So I've got the 128 ounce Craftmaster pressurized growler here. This thing has got a rectangle body to it. I kind of like these better than the round ones because there's no wasted space when it fits very conveniently right in the front door of the fridge. So it weighs about 8 pounds, which is, empty, not bad. 128 ounces of liquid inside of it. You're looking at another 8 pounds. So it's really not a traveling type pressurized growler. But where the actual pressurization part comes from is up here. Let me get out of the glare. Is where on the inside a little CO2 container is housed in here. And when you have this thing full, all you do, screw that until you get your desired pressure. So if you have something flat that you put in here, you can use this to pressurize it, shake it up a little bit, let it sit for 5-10 minutes. You've got pressurized liquid. You can really put anything in here. Nitro cold brewed coffee, I think you have to change out the little tap here on the front side for nitro. But I think you can go ahead and use this comfortably. It says it keeps everything cool for about 24 hours, but in my experience with this single wall metal housing, about 4 to 6 hours with this volume of liquid, if you put it in cold, is a decent expectation to have for maintaining a cold beverage. I mean, obviously if it's sitting in the sun, it's 95 degrees, it's going to be different, but these things are convenient to where you can drop them right in the cooler and pull them out when you need them. So that is kind of my overview of the Craftmaster pressurized growler.